What's up, y'all? It's GlovRR. We back in the building with another video. I'm actually gonna be taking this exhaust off and putting on the Toce. So I'm mad excited. Let me give you guys what she sounds like now. So that's what she sounds like right now. But before we get started, we got a little feature today. We got KG in the building. We got KG in the building.
What up?
Talk to him, KG.
You know, some real regular degular out here, you know, nothing too crazy.
Tell him when you getting the bike.
I'm getting a bike? What are you talking like a bike or
When,
like a
what
dirt
you
bike?
getting? What you getting?
Bike, baby.
You getting a little YZ 250?
Slide, maybe hop up to the 450.
What can they expect from you, KG?
Oh, number 12 o'clock. That's all we expect. What you talking about? Number 12 o'clock. What you talking about?
Yo, we gonna be together. We gonna have some videos coming soon.
Y'all gonna see me.
We gonna have some videos coming soon. See if this is serious or not. I don't think he is,
y'all
but
gonna see me. Watch. Watch.
And all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true.
I feel like I wrote this from a personal place or something.
And all
I don't
I
know.
wanna be is true.
Let's make it count though, for real. Yeah.
And all I wanna be
Swear my
is
dreams
true.
are taking long. I was pissed but never stalled. Made trip, I never fall. Stay true to who you are. Can't win without a wall. God came and healed these scars. Late nights with all my dogs. I can see it from afar. See, it's days like these, I think that pain made me strong. Had purpose all along, whether right or whether wrong. When my doggy stuck inside a jam, I'm the one they call. Felt good to talk to sauce. Before you walk, gotta crawl. Told him question God long enough, that man bound to respond. Did the same thing with Paul. Better answer when he called. We ain't seeing eye to eye, still paid a visit to his mom.
I still care regardless
I
of
still
whatever
paid
it
a
is.
visit. Look, almost gave up on my dreams cause I felt I wouldn't pop. And that burden weighed a lot. Lost a lot but gained a lot. Thank God I stayed true. A big stage.
all right. First step is to take off the seat. Put your Allen key. It's the first time this seat been off, so this joint is tight. Damn, boy.
Boy ain't eat his Wheaties this morning, huh?
You want to try it? Alright, there we go. Alright, y'all, so the seat is off. And KG just busted his So we're gonna have to take this piece off right here so we can kind of get inside of there more. So we're gonna do that now. Alright guys, so once that piece is off, we got the servo, which is right here, and we got to get to that screw in there. So once we got to unscrew that and disconnect the servo, and we got KG over there trying to Willie the pedal bike. He's so trash. I got that screw off. It's a 8mm screw with the torque wrench. So you're gonna need an 8mm to get that screw off. And now I'm having a big problem unhooking this yellow, the wires that go into this yellow piece, so I can pull the servo out. So what I'm gonna do instead is just loosen some of this up and just try to pull it out from underneath. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Got your set of Allen keys. Unattached and it's just not working. Alright, so we got everything loose. I'm gonna try not to unhook it fully. There's a little bolt right here, right under here. We're gonna try to pull it out from underneath. All right, so perfect. Perfect, we got it out. So this is what it looks like now. Just pulled the servo straight down to the bottom. And I'm gonna detach this. I'm gonna detach that piece. And I'm gonna put my servo eliminator into there. And now I'm gonna put my servo eliminator into that hole. So I took that off. Only got one hand here. There we go. So now my servo eliminator is attached and this servo is out. All right, so now that all this is loose, all we're gonna need to do is go underneath here, unloosen the actual exhaust. You're gonna need a 1/2 on the socket wrench. And now we're gonna, all right y'all, so I loosened that screw up underneath there. I just pulled my exhaust off, but I didn't feel like taking all this off, so I just loosened it, but I'm having trouble like getting this underneath. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect these wires from the servo right now, so I don't have to unhook all this stuff. Like I said, so what I ended up doing was just taking apart the whole servo, and I'm gonna just pull these wires through. So let me get this. So took this piece off, unlatched these wires, took this out, and now we're good. All right, y'all, so got my exhaust off. We're gonna put this on now. Line this up. Put the screw in. Perfect. So the exhaust is on. I just have to tighten this bolt and this bolt under here, as well as like this. So I tightened everything up, and here she is, man. I know a lot of you guys hate on Toce, but I think they got one of the best sounds, and just how they look, you know, especially for my bike, I think this is the best looking exhaust for it. So there she is. I'm gonna start her up in a second. There we go. Alright guys, so just a recap, we got the Toce exhaust compared to the stock exhaust. So clearly it's a huge difference. So the hardest part was definitely to just take out the servo, which I said before, the easiest way to do that is to go underneath and pull it downward under here. So hey man, that's pretty much it. I think she looks pretty good. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe.